Father's dispensation, starting out from Korea, was 40 years dispensation. And that 40 years come to an end, virtually, leaving 3 more years to go. And the final 3 years started out from 1983, and it's over by 1985.
자, 이 3년 기간의 세계는 3년 시간의 세계는 전환해야 된다는 것이 지금 섭리관이야 지금.
So the providential view of history is that in this 3 years period, entire world must undergo radical change.
자, 그럼 전환하는데 무엇을 중심으로 전환하는 이야기?
Then, what kind of turning point? What would become a turning point?
그것은 예수님이 이 땅에서 역사적인 지금부터 2000년 전에 역사적인 로마 제국을 중심삼은 세계 판도에서 전환해야 할 기점을 만들려는 국가적 기반을 중심 삼고 그다음에 세계와 이것이 연결시켜가지고 전환해야 된다는 것이 예수 시대나 지금 시대나 마찬가지다. 국가적 기반을
That
부터.
dispensational goal for God had not been changed from 2,000 years ago. 2,000 years ago, the turning point is coming, centered upon Roman Empire. Jesus was supposed to go to Roman Empire in his lifetime, really making a worldwide impact.
유대교와 유대 나라를 중심삼고 로마를
And Judaism and Jewish nation, that Israel nation, centered upon that small chosen nation, then go to Rome, change the Roman Empire. That was the 2,000 years ago.
그것이 실패로 갔다.
That was not done. That was not fulfilled.
그렇기 때문에 한국의 섭리를 볼 때 해방 이후 한국의 여러분 제2차 대전 직후에 그때 선생님이 이 길을 출발해가지고 그때 기성교만 받들어 들었으면 그때서부터 미국과 이 승리한 자유세계를 중심삼고 상승적인 자유세계의 무대 위에 기독교 최고 문명권을 중심 삼아가지고 오늘날 세계 정상으로 대번에 연결될 것이다.
So in 1945, when there was a liberation came to Korea, Father already initiated, and right after World War II, and that was the opportunity God has given to Father to initiate the public ministry. Now, at that time, Korean Christian community, Christianity, accepted the Father and united with Father, then this would have occurred, incredible worldwide dispensation would have occurred in 1945 and the succeeding few years. It would not come to 1983.
그렇게만 되면 미국은 기독교가 대번에 옛날 로마 제국은 이제 태양성식은 그런 자유성식의 시대가 아니고 이것은 기독교 문화 곧 공동문화 체제가 되기 때문에 원리 사상을 연결해서 국가적 차원에 대번에 연결할 수 있는 이런 시대였다.
If that acceptance, the unity of the Christian community was made with Father in 1945, then the worldwide unity centered upon the United States, which is a Christian nation, which is comparable to the Roman Empire position, would have done immediately, and so that acceptance of the United States would become unanimous, and acceptance of the world would become unanimous, and by doing so, will of God would have been fulfilled then.
그러면 기독교는 뭐냐면 동양의 한국이지만 기독교 문화권은 동양하고 저희 서양하고 미국하고 완전히 연결돼 있다. 이것이 하나가 이게 연결 하나밖에 없다.
So this is the only way the Christian cultural spheres can be linked to the Oriental, Eastern cultural spheres. This is the only one way two worlds, two cultures can become one.
기독교 문화권으로 동양 사상을 흡수할 수 있는 길이 없는 거야. 동양 사상으로서 기독교 문화를 흡수할 수 있는 없는. 그것이 통일 사상을 중심삼고 우리 통일교 원리를 통해 가지고 이것이 대반에 연결되게 다 돼 있는 거지.
Actually, Christianity of the West had no way to digest Oriental mystic culture or the philosophy. At the same time, Oriental Eastern cultures had no way to digest the Western Christian-centered culture, except unificationism, the Father's ideology. That alone can link the both culture spheres.
자, 이것이 하나의 가인 아벨로 보게 되면 그때 서구 사회에 있어서 보게 되면 기독교 문화권은 여기서 아벨적 입장에서 동양을 구해줘 나왔다면 이것이 가인 아벨 하나 될 수 있는 문화권, 이 동서양의 문화권이 하나 될 수 있는 것은 이것을 연결시키지 않으면 안 될 철저한 의의가 있다는 거지.
So this is two culture spheres is represented by Cain type and Abel type. One is Cain type culture spheres, and there's Abel type culture spheres, and those are from the heavenly standpoint must be united and harmonized. That was the absolute necessity in the blueprint of God.
그랬더라면 오늘 통일교회는 이와 같이 순한 40년 기한이 필요 없고 그때부터 승리적 7년간이면 기독교 문화를 소화했다.
So, if that unity occurred back in 1945, we would not have this 40 years. We would have achieved the worldwide dispensation in succeeding 7 years. 7 years, it was absolutely adequate time to fulfill.
오늘 통일교회의 핍박이니 무문이니 뭐 차별 역사에 곡전을 내밀지 않았을 것이다.
So there was no persecution, no name of the Moonies would not come out, and incredible, the hard, uphill battle would have not been there.
자, 이렇게 볼 때 이런 입장에서 태어나는 이 선생님 하나를 중상 볼 때 하나님은 어떻게든 이 일을 이루어지길 바라고 사탄은 이를 바탕시켜 이두 길에 딱 서있다.
So then, from this point of view, Father is the one as a champion to fulfill God's will, God's providence. But there's another forces, that the satanic forces are trying to adamantly destroy any opportunity to to give Father the opportunity to fulfill God's will.
선생님 편에 설 수 있는 사람들은 어떤 사람이냐?
Then what kind of people can stand on side of the Father?
아벨과 천사장체예요. 아벨과 천사장.
Abel and Archangel. Abel and
그건
Archangel.
뭐냐면 연계. 아벨 연계하고 아벨군은 왜 기독교 문화고.
Actually, the Archangel sphere is represented by the spirit world. The entire spirit world is on the Father's side. And the Abel sphere, that is Christianity. The Christian world of the world.
자, 기독교는 어떻게 됐냐? 성령의 뜻을 모르는 언제나 왔다 갔다.
The Christianity, without knowing true dispensational will of God, is always fluctuating, always fluttering, back and forth,
자,
waving.
그러면 영계에서 명령해서 할 것이냐? 기독교 자체. 아벨 자체가 가인 환경을 수습할 수 있는 책임이 있다.
So the Abel, camp must be in a position to 어디를 수습합니까?
아벨 자체권, 아벨권이 가인권과 가인 자체, 아벨 자체와 아벨권과 권이 가인 개인과 가인권을 수습할 책임이 있는 거죠.
So the Abel is responsible to control or harmonize Abel spheres plus Cain camp, entire Cain camp. The responsibility of Abel.
그런 입장에서 볼 때 한국 정부를 중심 삼고 볼 때는 그것이 가능해. 에이블이 한국 정부 동양을 대표한 가인권 정부를 컨트롤했던 거예요.
기독교가 맞습니다.
아, 기독교. 미국을 중심 기독교 문화권이.
문화권이
한국 저 그때 군정 시대거든. 그래. 컨트롤했던.
So actually this shows in Korea the Western Christian culture that is coming to Korea and govern as a military government, control the Korean culture, the Korean nation at that time.
그러니까 형태로 본 그 국가적 면에서는 말이야 가인과 아벨이 해야 돼.
So from external form, as far as formation is concerned, the Cain and Abel become one at that time.
국가적인 것이.
From the national level.
그렇지만은 내적인 종교적인 면에서 말이야. 종교적인 면에서 누가 가인이냐면은 기독교가 가인이고 통일교가 아벨이다. 이게 하나 돼야 된다. 이게 까꾸로 되는 거지. 까꾸로. 그게 어려운 거라니까. 이쪽이 국가적인 아벨이 돼 있고 이쪽은 아벨이 반대 한국이 아벨이 돼 가지고 미국 기독교가 따라가야 돼. 이런 자리에서 있다는 게 이게.
In a physical sense, United States Armed Forces, which is represented by the U.S. Christianity, was governing Korea. So there was an able position. Korea was in a Cain position. But religiously or spiritually speaking, Unification Church, which was born in Korea, was an able position, and Christianity is in a Cain position. So you can see the opposite here. But unity in an internal and spiritual level of this Cain and Abel unity was not done.
그런데 기독교가 통일교만 완전히 지지하는 날에는 이건 완전히 다 하나 되는 거예요.
But then the Christianity accepting and uniting with the Unification Church, that would be no problem. everything would have been done. You do follow, you see?
그런데 기독교가 설교받았다.
But then
선생님은
Christianity rejected Father and the Unification Church.
반대하는 입장에서 완전히 사탄들의 생각 완전히 사탄. 완전히 사탄들이 들어.
So when they reject Abel, Father, then they're standing on the side of the Satan. They're standing on the side of the Satan camp.
기독교가 통일교를 반대할 때 그때 한국 정부는 통일교 편됐다. 그렇지만은 이게 전국적으로 미국까지 영향을 미칠 수 있는 가능성이 있으니 뒤돌아가 버렸다.
So then, initially, Korean government, when the Christianity was attacking Unification Church, the government was on the side of the Unification Church. But then, Christian community, which is so, in a way, evil, Satan-minded at that time, in terms of attacking Father, they turned around the government position. So they gradually turned the government down to the level where they can come against Unification.
주권자를 움직이고 전부 다 기독교인들이 한국 정부.
This happened because at that time Korean government was primarily run by the Christian influence leaders. Those Christian influence leaders are in the government.
이름으로 말하면 공산주의 침투, 공산주의가 완전히 잘 잡아가지고 세계적 사탄이가 공개할 수 있어요. 그럼 뭐 국내 내적 기독교 문화권도 그렇고 외적 문화 완전히 사탄권에 들어가기 때문에 공산주의가 기독교를 위협할 수 있는 기반이 없었다.
The government turned around against the Unification Church. So what power can prevail? Christianity is against Father and the government is against Father. So the communism is the only power that can prosper. Because they were given such incredible support. Because Christian culture sphere is taken away, shipping down, and the government is satanic. So Satan has a field day.
그래서 선생님이 진행하는 기독교 원수, 기독교 사탄권하고 사탄권이 합해가지고 거기에 또 유대교, 전 정교 그러니까 전 정교를 동원해치고 전 인류를 동원해치고 전 공산주의를 동원해서 선생님 하나 없애버리죠.
So from that point on, virtually everything against Father. Religion is against Father. Christianity is against Father. Korean government is against Father. International government is against Father. Of course, communism is against Father. So you can see the plot. The entire world come together to eliminate one person, Reverend Moon. They just don't want to have him. So then, Father has no way to turn. Like in the Bible, even a fox has a hole, even a bird has a nest, but the Son of Man has no place to dwell. Precisely that kind of situation was duplicated in Father. Actually, Father was born with the destiny not to suffer. Father is born as a noble man.
역사적 기반을 나를 위해 닦았던 그 모든 역사들 다 깨달았더니 그것이 무너지게 될 때는 그 기반을 대신 만들어 놓긴 살 길이었다 이게 말이에요.
So when the foundation is erected, then Father will be emerging as a noble man, and a saint, and the leaders and champion. However, all the support is taken away. What God asked him to do. Then Christianity, what's the purpose of Christianity? Christianity has only one purpose. That one purpose is to erect the foundation upon which the second coming of the Messiah, or the second coming of the Lord, can preside over. That's the whole foundation of Christianity, the whole purpose of the prosperity of Christianity. But when then the Christian foundation is taken away to Satan, then what Father can do is to start out from the scratch, rebuild the foundation. So actually, Father was thrown out all the way to the edge, to the satanic world. He just thrown far out from the center, far out to the edge.
그래서 사탄 세계적인 사탄권 내에서부터 기반을 탄간력을 겪고 세워가지고 다시 재침입하도록 하자는 기반이 없다. 이래서 선생님은 나라를 버리고 기독교와 민주세계 해방을 했던 그 모든 걸 버리고 공산 세계 찾았다.
So,
세계는 사탄이었어요. 사탄 뒤에 가가지고 실투 기반을 쌓아서 세계관 탄간력을 돌아올 필요 없다.
so as you can see, that now Father has no allies and no territory for him to stand. So he all the way out to the very far extreme perimeter of the satanic realm and rebuilding his own foundation. So Father, when starting his career from the worst point of view, worst situation, this is why Father entered into North Korea, which is the worst part of communism and the communist regime at that time.
감옥에 가요. 감옥.
Then go to prison
3년 동안
for
감옥에서 찾아왔어요. 예수의 공세가 3년 2년 8개월인데 2년 8개월을 감옥에서 찾아서 밖으로 나오죠.
so Father went down to the worst that can be described by the human suffering, the worst suffering. North Korea, communist regime, then even North Korea, he entered into prison. Now Jesus' public ministry was 2 years and 8 months. So Father spent that public ministry period, 2 years and 8 months, in the prison.
예수가 그가 세계적인 틀에 연결해가지고 이 쫙 있는 거가 딱 같은 있잖아요. 감옥에서 이런 그걸 또 하는데 뭐냐면 열두대가 이러고 찾아가지고 또 나오죠.
So Father entered into the prison, which is the worst part of the situation, just like Jesus entered into the worst part of the situation and trying to bring his disciple, and even this disciple all lost. By the same token, Father entered into the prison of North Korea and gathered the first disciple in the prison.
그래가지고 지상세계로 이제 남한의 해방 유엔군이 2년 8개월 탄감노동을 중단하고 유엔군이 협정을 가져가지고 동물을 내려가고 이남 땅에 와가지고 길어서 창작전을 해가지고 재차 통일교를 출발한 게 기독교 출발한 거 아니야. 통일교의 새로운 기독교 문화를 실패한 것을 배치하기 위한 기반 조성을 위한 출발을 했어요. 통일교회다 말이죠.
So, after 2 years and 8 months suffering, United Nations forces during the Korean War liberated Father. But this is very meaningful because this is paying the indemnity. You know, our entire world is paying homage to Father, at least in this respect. So Father already secured, comparable to 12 disciples in the prison in North Korea. So after Father received the liberation, came to South, upon that foundation of North Korea, Father can initiate a new movement, new Christian church, unification church. The amazing thing is that the disciple, in time of Jesus, when Jesus went up to Mount of Calvary and for crucifixion, all the disciples ran away. But Father, instead, his disciple ran away, he discovered, he received, or he converted his disciple in the prison. And, it's the reverse situation of the running away. Instead of they're running away, they come to Father at the worst situation, which is prison. The UN forces liberated Father. For that reason, today, at least though the UN, 16 nations represent a Western world, can be retaining the name of able. That's the reason, the free world is an able side. And because Christian, in a Christian cultural sphere, cultural world, is in an able position, still could be able to maintain that able figure, able position, because at least they participate and rescue the Messiah, Father. So, because of this condition, UN forces shed the blood for Korea. particularly for the liberation of the father, true parent, in North Korea. From this foundation, father can come to the Western world, can save the Western world.
유나이티드 네이션 그 아이디어가 뭐냐면 하나님의 하나의 세계를 생각하는 거예요.
Because UN idea, United Nations idea, is comparable to God's idea to bring the entire world under one nation, one body, under God, of course.
그런 의미에 있어서 지금까지 내가 이 한계나 한계나 가지고 기독교 문화권 또이 민주세계 기독교 문화권이 하지 못했던 그 시간을 다시 재창조하기 위해서 개인에서 가정을 가지고 추진을 하고 그러니까 이 과정을 개인으로서 사탄과 하나님을 살리면서 생명과 죽느냐 살리면서 또 가정을 중심하고 죽느냐 싸워서 살면서 종교를 중심하고 죽느냐 싸워서 이 세계적인 이런 중간계에서 그런 진행의 팀 노력을 해야 합니다.
So this is how Father's struggling life has begun. Under those circumstances, starting out from the worst possible place, always each level is a showdown. Life or death matter. Life or death, individual level, life or death struggle on a family level, life or death struggle on a tribe level, and a national level, the worldwide level.
그래서 언제나 그 나라의 주권자가 되는 우리들 한국에서의 달당하고
Also, Father always confront the sovereignty. Always a national power to confront it. For example, in Korea even, from the, again, that there was a government, the Liberal Party at the time. They're trying to do efforts, absolutely trying to exterminate the father's movement. And they're looking at the condition. Any smallest condition they can grab, they use it, exploit it, and they trying to judge father, put him in a jail, or put him in prison. And South Korea did attempt it once. So, the father is dealing with the Liberal Party, which is Syngman Rhee. Then that government trying to destroy father, but they fail. Went to democratic regime, Changmyeon regime, then move on to Republican, democratic Republican regime. There's a Park Chung-hee government, and then by then, father already really make a great inroad and lay the foundation. Syngman Rhee's government is like Adam, comparable to Adam government. So the Syngman Rhee's government was, President Syngman Rhee was trained in the Western world and Christian background. So that was like a representative of Adam, symbolic of Adam's government. Changmyeon government is in Eve's government. Therefore, head of the party was a woman at that time, Park Sun-chan. So, the Park Chung-hee government, that was Archangel government. Archangel. So, Park Chung-hee government was supported by father many times. However, they never reciprocate. So father was in absolutely central patriotic position. When they back and forth, they trying to come close to us, they go away from us, but father will not change. Father was in the central position. Park Chung-hee government. 56년에서 시작해가지고.
78년 때 내가 박정희 대통령의 직원을 얘기하는 게 아니다. 그래서 그 말하는 게 있지만.
1978. 79년. So father gave Park Chung-hee government a final message or advice or ultimatum. You got to do this way, otherwise you shall be in this incredible in danger. And President Park rejected it. What happened? 1 week later, he was assassinated.
가족 입장에서 가해하지 않아요.
If he listened to father, however, at that time, in a national level, there will be unity between father and the sovereignty, father and government.
그런데 한국 정부에서는 언제나 미국에 알리게 되어 있기 때문에 미국의 입안답지 않으면 되기 때문에 미국 수반답자서 미국 대통령을 움직이지 않으면 중상고 닉슨 대통령을 중심삼은 이쪽도.
So the Korean government, however, is under the control of the U.S. government, directly or indirectly. So influence from the U.S. government is virtually absolute. So father came to the United States. First, the president he dealt with was Richard Nixon. At that time, Nixon was totally grounded. His honor was on the ground.
내 말만 들었더니 내 말만 들어가지고 닉슨만 전부가 저렇게 쫓겨나지 않았으면 통일교회 중심 삼아가지고 한국 정부 1년에 연결 서구명과 국가에서의 동행을 완전히 밀릴 수 있는 제도가.
At that time, father has an opportunity to talk to Nixon in person at the White House. Father gave a specific advice what to do. And if he listened that advice, he would have been saved. Then the Nixon government, United States, Unification Church, and Korea would be linked. So Nixon, however, was not too honorable man. He needed father's help. He knew. He asked for the help. Father provided help. But then he did not take father's word seriously. Nixon did not know one thing. He looked at father just a Korean, Oriental Korean religious leader, little pastor, little preachers coming from Korea. No, he didn't know one thing, that behind father, entire heavenly weight, dispensational weight is resting upon his shoulder. See, actually, Nixon listened to father. He would not have lost Vietnam. Vietnam would be victorious. And upon that level, he and father can erect the incredible alliances and bring the new era for the sake of the world. So, after Nixon, that would rejected God's will, and Ford came into being. Ford is not so much of a president. He was not a presidential symbol at all. He just stayed a couple of years. Then Carter came in. At the worst of all, president came in. But what father did? Father declared the war against Carter administration from the first day. So. So Carter, 4 years, was the minister of 4 years. Father declared the war against that administration from the day of his inauguration, their inauguration. And at the same time, the Carter father knew has been chosen for the instrument of the communist world. He served as instrument of the communist world, which is ungodly forces of, communism.
그러니까 전 세계 언론계 종교계 미국 정부가 하려가지고 내버리면 딱.
So because father declared a war against the American president for 4 years, a long time, and entire media, entire public opinion, they just declared a public enemy. Father's public enemy. And by doing so, incredible negativity has been created in this country. But father knew. But then, father knew that Carter's goal is to eliminate father from the U.S. side. In other words, he wanted to cut off all the father's influence in the United States. But then, Reagan became a president after Carter. He would not become a president. Nobody thought he would be, because he's the age of 71 and an old man, and tried several times, didn't work, and nobody take him seriously. Furthermore, Carter has another term to serve. So incumbent the president is so strong Nobody expected President Reagan to win. But only one person who knew Reagan win, Father. Because Father knew heavenly will at the same time, amount of support Father is giving time.
그러면 리간이 나한테 즉각적으로 감사 편지를 써야 돼요.
And the Reagan.
또그 행정부의 국무장관이 나한테 즉각적으로 환영의 편지 써요. 국회나 뭐 어떤 겁니다.
So actually Reagan has to write immediately the thank you letter to Father. And the Secretary of State has to be responding to Father and thanking Father for his cooperation.
전 4탄세가 반대하는 그 레버런 분이 그 전에 전부 다 이거 전부 다 반대받고 한번 논란에 자서야 되니까 대통령부터 가까이 불리하다. 이건 뭐야?
So, but these politicians are politicians. They're almost like a prostitute. They look at the public opinion, and they see where Reverend Moon is not that popular among the public opinion. He was the target of the media, and the politician decided, well, it's not too desirable to really openly side with Reverend Moon.
이렇게 볼 때 레버런 문이 생겨서 기독교 문화권 실어버림을 찾아갖고 미국이 사탄권 내에 반대하는 것을 다시 써야 세우자니 만든 두 가지 사령을 하잖아요. 똑똑해야 된다고.
So the Father's mission in the Western world is to have twofold. One is to restore the Western culture and original value, plus the Christian, then Christian culture sphere, and the Christian religion, culture as well as religion, both must be restored. So government. So one side is the government, political aspect of the nation. The other is the religious aspect of the nation.
지금 내가 지금 하는 거예요. 여기서 뭐냐면 미국 국가 기독교를 다시 부활시키는 거를 보고 그래야 기독교가 기독교 문화가 망하지 않는다. 자유세계 살아가면 됩니다. 그하고 그다음 미국이 망하지 않는 그 두 가지 이거를 지금 하는데 지금 재판대회를 가져가 전부 다 죽여버리는 거예요. 재판의 머리.
So Father is actually doing here in the United States is twofold. One, the restoration of Christian culture, the revival of the Christianity. Secondly, the revive the nation, national life, which is government and nation and the state.
그게 전에 2차 전쟁 이후에 다시로 세계를 갈 수 있는 기반으로는 가만두려. 그 내용을 제시해준 것이 지금 선생님이 미국에서 하는 역사적으로 때의 싸움.
So at this time, Father is bringing back the United States once again. They're right after World War II, where United has a chance to leap forward to the higher accomplishment. Then America just declined, and then bring it back to that level, so that America can reach out to the new horizon.
새로운 기독교, 새로운 미국의 국민들.
So new Christian revival, the new national revival. See, those both. These are the goals of the
우리
Father.
통일교의 원리와 통일 사상하는 가능하던 것이 이미 일본 미국 국민들이 가오사왔다고 해서 지금 전하는 사람 태국은 뭐 상관이나 할 것이 전부 전하는 사람들이 이 식단치에 전부 다 가오사
So now, people are come to realization. Father thought, which is unification thought, and Father's ideology, which is Godism, without it, America has no direction to go, no vision to move forward. And particularly when Father installed the Khalsa movement, the people are coming to Khalsa, realize it, two most important things. This is so vital to the survival of America.
자, 그렇기 때문에 결론이 이 전 세계 기독교 인구가 통일교 인구가 바꿀 것이냐 통일교가 바꾸지 않는다. 그럴 수 있어요.
So,
또 전 세계 사상 공산주의 민주 사상을 중심으로 보더라도 통일교가 바꾸지 않는다. 이런 것이 한전이 나면은 모든 것이 다수된다고 합니다.
So I want to understand. Showdown is coming two ways. The people will come to realize that Unification Church, what the rest of the political power, rest of the world, would not be swapped. There's no way you can swap it. The unification is so priceless. Another thing, in terms of ideology and a worldview, and all ideology of the world, democratic ideology, communist world ideology, whatever the philosophy they have put together, they cannot swap unification ideology. On the contrary, however, they rather vice versa. they want to have unification ideology, go out to the world to really become the influential power to the entire world. They rather see that happen.
생산권을 지배할 수 있는 사람들이 뉴에라든가 카우사 운동에 전부 다 머리를 싸내고 일방통행으로 전진할 수 있는 단계로.
So far, the world has taken father lightly, and father's ideology as a joke. But now they come to realization. They thought this movement would not last. Just like a fad, come and go, fly by night. But then now they come to realization. This movement is not only here to stay, but this movement alone posed hope to the nation and the world. They knew now without it, they have no way to get some future hope and a vision.
이런 차례에서 역대가 가보니 미국 자체는 정부도 수습할 길이 없고 민주세계도 수습할 길이 없고 모든 제도 가지고 수습한다. 기술 가지고도 안 되고 뭐 군대 가지고도 안 되고 미국을 살릴 길이 없다게.
Now that the era of confusion and chaos, no power under the sun can have a solution to the community and the society and the nation. Not the technology, not the religion, not the philosophy, not the worldview, nothing. And the economy and politically, just this country hit the dead wall, hit the stone wall.
공산주의 한데 지금 그러니까 공산주의 한데 건너가지고 그래.
Now what happened? But then America is not alone. The communism is coming and hooking. Communists say, well, we have a solution. Okay, leave it to us. We'll get you. We'll get you a solution. So they are manipulated by the communists. And America is, dragged into that kind of situation.
이 자유세계, 자유경제 체제 국가, 이것이 최고 선진국가, 선진문명권에 살던 이 서구인들을 공산세계의 유물사관을 경제시켜 가지고 소화할 길이 절대 없어. 그것이 완전히 증거사실로 판결이 나버린 시대와 또 그리고 소련 자체라든가 중국 자체 내적으로 보면 이 엉망진창이야. 자체도 폐원될 것입니다.
So both world is in trouble. In other words, the free world has no ideology that can possibly bring the solution to Marxism or communism. At the same time,
공산주의가 민주세계를 지금까 점령해서 사수 경제를 가지고 문화사회에서 사는.
furthermore, communism world, even though they take up the entire free world, they have no capacity to control politically, economically, morally the free world. So communism, even though they talk about a big thing, but they don't have real strength to do so. Furthermore, internally, communism are in deeply trouble.
Western world now living high level. It's like leather. No matter how communism have the economic power, cannot digest all of the Western world. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So that the break, kick back, war, that kind of stuff. 그리고 내부에는 엉망진창이.
Furthermore, internally,
지하철이 총발치해서 뭐 2년 못 갈 수 있었어.
so internally, and communist society internally is corrupt, incredibly disturbed and corrupted, and it would not last. If they leave it alone, it's just collapse within. That they at the virtually in that point. So everything come to the fullest. Cup is runs over. Just an evil cup in this case. Corrupted cup is running over. Even though they're just like a wrestling, holding really wrestling very hard, but actually both camps are deeply sick and troubled. But then Moonies are having twisting arms and watching.
내가 법정 추진하면서 참 얼마나 법의적인 법정 미국은 보자 얼마나 가.
So, father has the court trial, and father looking, all right, You want to do that? Okay, you come. They bring the court problem. All right. Oh, we'll fight. But meantime, we'll see what happens.
문의가 나쁜 것이 아니라 문의 좋다고 워싱턴 포스트까지 문의 지적을 나오는 게 세상이 완전히 춤추는.
So what happened? Even the public opinion is changing drastically. Groundswells of public opinion is rising in favor of father. Even that incredible paper, Washington Post, editorialized, saying that Reverend Minister, after all, is not so bad.
없어요. 문이 없어졌다 말인데 문이 여기 있는 것이 아니고 너무 커가지고 대가리가 여기는 뿌레기가 반뿌레기가 되어 있지만 이게 큰 것은 여기 어이구 세게.
So everybody thought by now if the Moonies and the education movement are all stamped down to the ground. It's just stamped down to the ground. But then they thought, they now know from that stamped ground, the leaves and the trunks and coming and encircling the entire room and covered up. So they turned around everywhere Moonies. Everywhere Reverend Moon's influence. Everywhere things that the Reverend Moon has done.
그러니까 이것은 세계적으로 상당히 것을 연합선서를 취하자니 안잘 털교시대 왔다는 걸 해석하다가.
So we are going to have so internationally, have alliances, the total coalition centered upon Father and Father's ideology. They have to come together. They have to connect themselves to Father.
한국이 나라를 중심 삼고 미국 기독교와 세계 국가 이 자유세계를 연결시켰던 것은 이제 털결 중심 삼고 40년 한국을 중심 삼고 한국 나라의 기독교 문화권 대신 털결 문화권을 중심 삼고 지금 자유세계를 체제다 좁게 된다기야. 그것이 이번 한국계.
So Korea, so far, and the Korean government and the culture has no way to connect international level. However, Father, centering upon VOC, victory of communism, and the unificationism, and Godism, now Father is now able to link the entire world. And that it was the significance of the national rally for victory over communism that Father won this time.
해방후에 기독교 문화권 전 사회세계를 연결시킨 것을 재차 40년 맞이한 여때 있어서의 다시 시작하는 운동이다.
So, in other words, right after the liberation, the entire free world cannot be connected. That even though UNs and everything is there, and they just simply could not, align together for a common purpose. Now, under the Father's leadership, under the new ideology, VOC, we are now linking entire world centered upon Korea and centered upon Unification Church instead of Christianity. Unification Church replaced the Christianity role.
나라만 딱 잡는 날에는 이것을 물러때리고 이 차대는 지구의 하나님의 뜻이 주님 재림주가 이 땅에 와가지고 정상적인 길을 갈 수 있는 시대로 다시 연결된다.
So then one nation is now come totally under Father, politically as well as religiously, ideologically. Then the Lord of the Second Advent came to the world, finally will establish one base, a foundation, upon which he will fulfill his ideal.
하나님들은 무엇이 제일 필요한 얘기야? 경제를 가지고도 안 되고 군사를 가지고도 안 되고 정치를 가지고도 안 되고 과학 기술력도 안 된다. 단 하나 성공이라는 가지고 가는.
Making into one, we must find the one common purpose and goal. What would that be? Political ideology, political power, economic power? No, they won't. They won't be interested. They have their own interests. Social, moral? No. But then, under the threat of international communism, there's a solution to communism under the name of VOC. Everybody's common interest in the free world are united. Therefore, thinking free countries, United States, Japan, then bring that, momentum to Korea under the name of VOC, victory over communism. Father United Nations.
반대할 수는 아무도 없어. 또 한국 자체가 지금 한국 국민의 정부가 전부 반대 틀렸다는 거야. 국민도 갈 건 모르고 나라도 갈 건 모르고 딱
Korean nation.
나라가 완전히 이번에 제시해.
The Korean nation was in despotism or hit the stone wall. They don't know what to do with the country. They don't know where to go. And a Korean nation and at this time Korean people are totally, they do not see any hope anywhere. They look at the government is shaky. They look at the world situation is very bad toward the Korean situation. And therefore, they lost the hope. Then, finding one hope. That is under the ideology of free politics.
Hope and pressure.
Hope and direction. Hope and direction. Both. So both people and government. Both